Look at all these roly-polies. Holy moly, roly-poly. And this is why I use logs, natural wood, to line my raised bed. Logs right here. These logs probably been here about 4-5 years. They don't decompose fast, but as they decompose and break down, they actually feed my soil. So they're a great wood to use to line your raised beds, logs. Okay, definitely don't want to use things like pressure treated wood. Those chemicals could leach into the soil. As far as getting your beds ready, you want to go ahead and have a tool like this action hoe. This is one of my favorite tools. Just really fast, you could come through and prep your bed. Look at the blade and how it just cuts. It just cuts at the base. It leaves all the roots in the ground, and I'm clearing out the brush. I'm leaving the rhizosphere intact. I'm not really cutting into the soil. See how fast I cleared out this little space right here? So I'll clear out this whole thing, add some compost, mix it all together, not deeply, and then I'll go ahead and transplant my kale right into here. Those roots will attach to the pre-existing rhizosphere that I left intact so that they can go ahead and get what the plant needs and bring it to the plant. It's really important to leave your rhizosphere intact. You know what it is. Y'all get outside, stay rooted, keep growing. Bless.